back to my YouTube channel. This is Yadz Travel, and for today's episode we are going north. So I'm with Team Mashla again, and we're here in Tabuelan. Yes. Hi guys. So we'll have overnight stay here in Tabuelan, care of Mayor Arnaldo. So we're here at a supermarket. Nami karon silang market and we'll buy foods right now. Okay. Hi guys! So kakatapos namin bumili ng foods. So marami kaming binili, yung mga pagkain. Of course, foods nga, di ba?
Foods ka din. Madagal man ang foods din.
Foods para marami, you know, plural.
Bakit yung plural para
form.
foods?
Ito yung foods. Here one. Yes guys. So pagkatapos nito pupunta na kami sa
My first ever vlog.
saan tayo pupunta?
Sa amin!
Yes, sa kanila mayor.
Sa aming ancestral domain.
Ancestral domain. Tingnan nga natin yung ancestral domain. Hi, Dan.
Hello! Nag-feel off ko.
Oy,
Yes,
akin na
kill.
sa mong sa sun house na lang. Kaya drop dito.
Wala ba yan?
Yes, sa karon dai nangaan mi og kay Mito. Daghang salamat ni Kayoms. Naningkamot jud siya og kuwag koy Mito, guys. So, mo na siya kay Mito.
So,
Thanks to me. Thanks to you.
Tapos ang kay nito.
What's up, guys? Nandito na kami sa bahay ni Mayora. Tapos pinadaan niya kami sa isang maputik na daan. Oh my God. Nipilit akong chanilas. So, ipakikita ko sa iyo kung ano ang dinadaanan namin ngayon. So ngayon, pupunta na kami sa today, cold spring gabsing. So dito daw cold ang spring. Yes guys, already take a quick dip sa unsa pangalan to today? Kantakuyan Spring. And now we're going to Maravilla Beach. So dito na si Miyok manaligo. Dito na maligo Miyok. Sa beach kasi like beaches. Alrighty. What's up everyone? And we're here finally in Maravilla Beach. Look at the beach. Alright, it's very white sand here. So that's white sand. So later we'll be swimming. Hi guys, so today we'll be preparing pancit. Ano ito? Ganito Lokot. So we'll be preparing lokot. So the ingredients is, of course, lokot. The ingredients are, first is lokot. Then
Ana pa vlog.
suka. This is pure tuba. Of course, we need garnish that as onions,
Bisaya ka din.
onions, tomato, and calamansi. So first, we already wash this with our bare hands, and then we'll be putting the tuba.
Tuba-suka.
So first, we have to taste it. The suka. Are you ready?
Taste.
Oh, taste it. Oh, you taste it. Taganon eh.
Sure na kwan.
Question it. Ow! Okay na dito. So,
Nag-vlog siya din. Di siya kabaw na yung sa yung
so
gikuan.
disclaimer, di okay ba? So, napatulog ko. Bita akong i-share nila. Para kaming tanan, dungan mi og learning. Ah, kuyawan.
Nungan mag-learning.
Langaw suka.
So, human ani, ala to ni tabunan.
Tangan na to limoncito.
Pangan daw nato og lemon sito. So, we'll squeeze in
What's the English of lemoncito? No.
calamansi.
Limoncito.
Lemon.
Lemon. So, squeeze in fresh lemon, just like this. Oh, fresh squeeze. Ano ka bog tita? Hala, usar ha? Duha ko na kuan. So, duha usara dito yan, duha ko na. So, we're gonna mix the ingredients very well so that it will protrude.
Yes. The extract.
It will intertwine.
Yes. It will
Will
collaborate.
collab and infuse.
Yes.
Okay na to, tita? Abi ka maglangoy ang kuan. So, di na ilangoy.
Ay, bukas lang sa bagay.
Moo.
Oh,
Sunod.
mushroom siya. So, and then,
Wala mo ketchup.
kinidayin mo ako.
Kinilaw lang ang peg.
Kinilaw bitaw. Mao bitaw.
Kinilaw bitaw.
Adi ka ng kinilaw na isda ba? Nasa buwan ba?
Oh, lagi.
Hara.
Wala yung wala din.
And then we will be putting on the garnish for color. Look at this, guys. Perfect. It's very perfect. And it's perfect to pair with our, of course, grilled meat.
Pork, day. Grilled pork.
Grilled pork.
Pork na siya, day. Kinamay isda, day.
So, are you excited to taste it?
Also, you first.
Oh, asin pa di ay. Asa
Ano
tong
mo
asin?
nagdaday ka.
Pata kasi.
What dito asin?
Kanang init pa ko.
So, dito asin, guys. So, update. So, supposed to be, we're going to use the tent. But we decided that we will just rent a room. So, this is the room, guys. So, it's air conditioned because, you know, my kauban is very hilason. They can't sleep without aircon. So, I just go with the flow. Char. So, we'll just catch the last trip. Last view of before the night ends. Hello guys, so we're finally out here at the seashore of Maravilla. So we are enjoying while the sun is setting. So we are enjoying the view. So we'll just be walking around and see what can do. Hi guys, good morning. It's now 6:07 in the morning. And then, tulog pa yung mga kasama ko. So I decided to go out and check the beach. So actually currently it's very low tide now. And we'll see. Kapag akong mata. magpadaw namin uli. It's been a great weekend.
Yeah.
So hi.
So guys, thank you for the day.
For the day.
For the day.
For the day has come. So hope to see you. Hope you like my video. Please do click the thumbs up button and click the subscribe for my YouTube channel. See you in the next episode of Yadz Travel. Bye.